Have you ever stared at your to-do list and thought, this looks more overwhelming than helpful? You write tasks down, maybe in a notebook or in an app, but then you either forget about them, lose motivation, or spend more time reorganizing your list than actually doing the work. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. Productivity tools are supposed to help us, but often they just add another layer of clutter. But what if I told you that you could automate the entire process so that your to-do list organizes itself, prioritizes tasks for you, and even gives you step-by-step plans on how to complete them? That's exactly what's possible when you combine ChatGPT with Notion AI. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your static, messy to-do list into a fully automated system that actually makes your life easier. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up, personalize it, and use it daily to stay consistent and stress-free. Before we dive in, let me ask you, how do you currently manage your tasks? Do you use Notion, Todoist, Google Tasks, or maybe just sticky notes on your desk? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know, and I bet other viewers would too. Now, let's break down why automation is a game changer. The biggest reason most people abandon productivity systems is friction. Every time you manually type tasks, rewrite them, shift deadlines, or reorganize priorities, you burn mental energy. Over time, that friction builds up until you stop using the system entirely. ChatGPT and Notion AI eliminate that friction by doing the heavy lifting for you. Instead of you constantly tweaking your system adapts to you. Here's what this means in practice. Imagine you dump all your tasks into Notion, big ones like prepare a presentation, and small ones like buy groceries. Normally, you have to manually categorize, prioritize, and schedule these. With automation, ChatGPT can read your list, break down big tasks into smaller subtasks, set realistic deadlines, and even suggest the best order to complete them. Notion AI then integrates this neatly into your workspace, updates it dynamically, and gives you a clear plan for the day. That's productivity without the overwhelm. So, how do you actually set this up? Let's go step by step. Step 1. Build a simple to-do list template in Notion. You don't need anything fancy here, just a table or board with columns for task, deadline, priority, and status. This becomes your master hub. Step 2. Connect your to-do list to automation. You can use Notion AI's built-in prompts or connect ChatGPT via API or Zapier. The idea is to let ChatGPT analyze your tasks. For example, if you type and work on YouTube video, ChatGPT can automatically expand it into subtasks like research topic, write script, edit video, and upload with description. Instead of you brainstorming what needs to be done, the system thinks for you. Step 3, prioritization. This is where most people get stuck. Should I finish emails before I start my project? Should I do small tasks first or tackle the hardest one? ChatGPT solves this by ranking your tasks based on urgency, deadlines, and importance. You can even tell it, I only have 3 hours today, what should I focus on? And it will generate a realistic schedule for you inside Notion. Now, let's make this more practical. Imagine it's Monday morning. You just open your Notion workspace and all you see is one box. Here's your plan for today. Inside that box, ChatGPT has pulled tasks from your backlog, broken them down, and arranged them in order. No more decision fatigue. All you do is follow the list. Before we move on, let's pause here. If this is already giving you ideas for your own workflow, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want more tutorials on AI plus productivity hacks, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me create more videos like this for you. Okay, let's continue. Step 4, automation loops. The real magic happens when your system updates itself daily. Here's how you can set it up. At the end of each day, ChatGPT reviews your completed and unfinished tasks. It then moves unfinished tasks to the next available day, reprioritizes them, and even suggests improvements. For example, if you keep pushing write blog post to the next day, the AI can notice this pattern and suggest breaking it into smaller chunks, like outline blog post and write introduction. This creates a feedback loop that gets smarter the more you use it. Step 5, integration with other tools. Notion can connect with Google Calendar, Slack, or email. That means your AI-powered to-do list doesn't live in isolation. ChatGPT can read your calendar and adjust tasks around meetings. If you have a 2-hour gap, it fills it with your most important task. If a meeting runs late, your schedule automatically adjusts. You're no longer tied to a rigid plan. You have a flexible, AI-driven assistant that keeps you on track. But here's an important point. Automation doesn't mean giving up control. You still get the final say. Think of it like having a smart assistant who suggests the most efficient way to work, but you can accept, reject, or tweak those suggestions. This way, your system feels personal, not robotic. Now, let's talk about personalization, because one size doesn't fit all. Maybe you're a student, a freelancer, or someone working a 9 to 5 job. Each use case is different. For students, ChatGPT can organize assignments, exam prep, and reading lists. For freelancers, it can juggle multiple client projects and deadlines. For employees, it can help balance work tasks with personal goals. The beauty of combining ChatGPT with Notion AI is that it molds to your life. Let me give you an example. Say you're preparing for exams. You dump all your topics into Notion: biochemistry, anatomy, nutrition, science. ChatGPT can create a 7-day study plan, allocate daily chapters, and build revision sessions. If you miss a day, the plan automatically updates, so you're never behind. That's way more powerful than a static checklist. Another example, you're building a YouTube channel. Instead of just writing create video, ChatGPT generates the entire workflow: research, script writing, voiceover, editing, thumbnail design, and publishing schedule. Then it organizes these inside Notion, so you can see progress at a glance. Essentially, it transforms overwhelming projects into clear, actionable steps. Now, some of you might be wondering, how difficult is this to set up? Honestly, it's simpler than you think. Most of the work is done once. You create a Notion template, connect it to ChatGPT using pre-made prompts or Zapier, and from there, it runs automatically. Even if you're not tech savvy, there are tons of free resources and templates out there you can copy and customize. And here's the kicker. The system is free or extremely cheap. ChatGPT's basic plan can handle most of this. Notion AI is affordable, and the integrations often have free tiers. Compared to paying for multiple productivity apps, you're actually saving money while gaining more power. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Will AI replace discipline? Because let's be real, even the best system won't help if you don't take action. The truth is, automation removes friction, but you still need to show up. The benefit is, when the AI clears away decision fatigue and mental clutter, you're left with more energy to actually do the work. It's not about replacing discipline. It's about amplifying it. So let's recap quickly. We start with the problem. To-do lists are overwhelming because they require too much manual upkeep. Then we introduce a solution, combining ChatGPT and Notion AI to automate task creation, prioritization, and scheduling. We walk through the setup, creating a Notion template, connecting ChatGPT, building automation loops, and integrating calendars. We also explored use cases, from students to freelancers to creators. And finally, we tackled the mindset piece. Automation won't do the work for you, but it makes doing work a whole lot easier. If you made it this far, I want to ask you something. What's one task in your life that you wish could just run itself? Let me know in the comments. You never know. Your answer might inspire a future video on how to automate that exact thing. And if you found this tutorial valuable, here's your next step. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future videos. Click like if this helped you, and share with a friend who struggles with task management. Also, don't forget to turn on notifications so you're the first to see my next video. If you want to go deeper, check out the playlist I've linked at the end of this video. It's packed with AI productivity hacks that will completely transform the way you work. Thanks for watching, and remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing smarter. With ChatGPT and Notion AI, smarter just got a whole lot easier.